Stolnick with the NNC Members Lounge, and it's like 6 a.m. on a Saturday, and I am heading to a MCLE event for a bunch of lawyers. And you know, guys, I would never tell you to do something inside of the NNC Members Lounge that I myself am not doing. So I spent the entire night with a sick baby, prepping for today and putting together my flyers and printing out my work sample product, and got up probably 50 times last night to tend to a sick baby, and I'm exhausted, and I much rather have stayed in bed, to be honest. But my goal for 2018 is to triple my business from 2017, and it's not going to happen sitting behind a computer, right? And what I love about this business, guys, is it really is a word of mouth business. And so I haven't done an event like this in about 3 years because I haven't had to. I've had plenty of work, but if I want to make my business bigger and better, I've got to get out there and I've got to network. And so I'm going to kind of document my day for you, and I'll take photos and I'll show you exactly what I have done to have my booth. Sorry, I'm driving and I'm going to get over here. To have my booth set up, so I will show you some ideas. So if you are going to go out there and do your own booth event, you'll know exactly what you need to have. I have done quite a few of these, and I've really learned what works and kind of what doesn't work, and so I'm excited to try a kind of a mix of everything. Because I won't say I've had big flops, but I've definitely learned from my own, just mistakes of what works and what doesn't work, because not everything works. Something that I learned is that these attorneys are in a big hurry, and so they don't have time to stand there and talk with you, and so you've got to make an impression in seconds. And so I really worked my flyers and my banner and everything to reflect that within seconds. I need to catch some attention, and so that's what I am focusing on, and I'm really excited to just make those connections. I can't wait to post those photos. I'll have them in this video for you too, and I'll be coming to you live. I'll kind of document the whole day, and it'll be on YouTube, so I'm excited about that, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and get out there and make your business happen. I love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm in the bathroom and we're about to get started, and I'm super excited and I'm super nervous all at the same time. But I'm excited to bring this to you and let you know the success. There'll be about 150 lawyers today, so it's really exciting, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so it is awesome. I got my little badge. It's turning out amazing. Like, I'm getting such good feedback. I actually recognized a few lawyers that are introducing me to other lawyers, so I highly recommend that you look at your local bar association and book your next MCLE course or MCLE event, because you don't want to miss these. They are so exciting, and there's some great things going to happen in 2018 for National Nurse Consulting, and I know you guys can get out there and make it happen for your business too. Okay guys, so quick tip. Do not be the first to leave. So already all the other booth vendors have left, and I am the only vendor here. And you know what that means? Everyone's coming up to me in between their classes because they just feel like being chatty and they're bored. So I've gotten more cards this afternoon than I got at the beginning of today's event, and they are, it's gonna be about 3:45 when the next class starts. And they told me that if you stay till the end, the attorneys, they haven't seen each other in a while because they don't practice together, right? So they all come together and they kind of gather around and they talk and they mingle, and that's where you want to be, right? You want to be there because you want them to approach you. So even though it feels slow in the beginning, my best advice to you is stay till the end. I know it might be painful, but trust me, you guys, it takes one person to change your entire business. One person to walk through that door. When everybody else has given up and you're still doing it, that is how you become a winner in the legal nurse business. That's how you build a business that succeeds. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Oh, and one last tip, bring a jacket because these events, they're freezing. Ooh.
Look at all those chickens.
So a tip I would recommend for your gifts that you give attorneys, you guys, they were asking for hand sanitizers, individual hand sanitizers. Is that crazy? That's what they wanted. Nobody here had that, so I think that's a brilliant idea to give hand sanitizers. It goes with nursing along with your flyer, right? And hand sanitizers are cheap. You can get the little ones for 59 cents at Walmart in the travel section. So that's a little tip too for things that you're handing out, because I know like Vistaprint for small businesses, like a pen is like $3.86 a pen, and you'd end up spending $700 in pens for 150 people. So there's a tip for you.
I like turtles.
Hey guys, so that's a wrap. So I finished, and I would say it was very successful. I think I got like 3 job offers while I was there, all kinds of different random job offers. So don't be surprised if you're out doing an event and you know the chief executive officer of a hospital offers you a position, which is what happened to me. Hey! There's all kinds of exciting things that happen when you step out of your comfort zone and you do something like this, you guys. And even I get nervous. I was really nervous, but you know, I did it anyway. And that's what I want to encourage you to do, is get out of your comfort zone, do it anyway, be social. You know, I handed out water and cookies. It was 80 degrees in Southern California in January today, and I knew they would be thirsty, so that's what I did. And you know, they took it. They bit. They took my bait. So, you know, I do have a couple takeaways that I want to recommend for you when you are doing this. You know, I knew there was about 150 attorneys, so I had made about 80 different things to give away, and that was way too many. Really, I think I gave away probably about 30. So, you know, don't spend a lot if you are doing some of these events. I would say 150 people, probably 30 to 40 items to give away. Many times they want to chat with you and they don't really want to take anything from you. Sometimes they want to take stuff from you and they don't want to chat with you. So, you know, if budget is a concern. Now, another takeaway, you guys, a lot of times when you look at the Bar Association events, they're really expensive, and that's because a lot of people that sponsor these events tend to be large corporations, like an insurance company or something like that. So don't let the price of the event scare you, like $2,500 to $5,000. I encourage you to send them an email and let them know, hey, I really want to sponsor your event, but I'm a mom and pop joint. I'm a one-person show. It's just not feasible for me to pay $2,500 for this event. Is there any way you can extend some kind of discount to me? And that's what they did for me, you guys. So I encourage you to ask. You will not get unless you ask. So ask for a discount for, you know, a one-person show. You're not a large corporation, and that's okay. So definitely do that. And then, you know, stay until the end. That's a big one. Definitely stay until the end, because that's when I feel like they've kind of maybe warmed up and it's not so awkward anymore, and they're more excited to talk with you. I got a lot more attorneys interested in me and my business towards the end of the afternoon than I did early in the morning. So that was good. And, you know, remember names, because if you do more than one of these events, write down those names of the people that you meet so that you can remember them for next time. Because if you remember them, you guys, they'll intro you to one of their friends the next time you see them, which is what happened. Every attorney that I saw from one of the last events that I did, they remembered me. Oh, and they introduced me to a friend. But something I love is an attorney that used me 2 or 3 years ago walked by, and I haven't talked to him in, I it's got to be 3 years. And I said, I recognize you from somewhere. He's like, yes. He's like, we actually met about 3 years ago and you did a case for me. And he's like, I lost your information. Can you believe that? He's like, I'm taking your card because I have an OB case that I really want you to work up. Ta-da, you guys. So sometimes they just lose your information, and it's not even, you know, something that they purposefully do. It just is an accident. So remember names, remember faces. That's really important. Write that down. I will write info on the back of their business cards. Oh, which brings me to business cards. Something you need to remember to do, you guys, which as nurses we aren't very good at, is give and take, right? If they are giving you their business card, or if you're giving them your business card, you need to get their business card in return. Always ask for their business card and don't feel nervous. This is what they do by nature. They're, you know, networkers by nature, and they always give their business cards out. So ask them, hey, can I get your business card? What's your name? You know, hey, it's nice to meet you. You can read his name, Sean, you know, because it's on his badge. Can I have your business card and I'll give you mine, and exchange business cards. That is something that when I was new, I forgot to do, and I would go home from these events with no contact information. And you definitely want to make sure you have contact information. So those are my tips, you guys, for rocking a successful LNC event. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm really excited for you. Get out of your comfort zone, make it happen. Just don't worry. I would say 80% of them are friendly. 20% of them are a little grumpy, you know, and there might be a few that you have to resuscitate because they've been practicing law for like 90 years. I don't know, some of these guys are still working. It's incredible. But just don't worry about it. Get out there, make it happen. I love you guys so much, and thanks for following me throughout my day at this event. I'll see you guys on the next video.